I've got this old 705 DeWalt, and it has no real good place here to add an auxiliary light. And the reason I wanted this light, I'll show you. Hopefully that shows up in the video, but you can see that shadow line. It's a good saw, but it didn't have the shadow line feature, which I really wanted. What I did is I took one of these from Home Depot, or Harbor Freight actually, and I took it apart, and I took the LEDs out of it, which is what I put here. I taped right there, and then ran a wire, and then I lobotomized the rest of the unit here. I took the switch and the batteries and wired it all up. Now I have a shadow line. Yeah, you can see it right there. Right there. I was going to use hot glue for these, but my daughter ran off with my hot glue gun, so I ended up using blue tape. Not the prettiest, but it gets the job done. Anyways, for $1.99, which is what I paid for this, I was able to add a shadow line light to my very old, like 30-year-old DeWalt saw here.